Thank you. So swallowing is complex. It's something that we do multiple times a day, many times a day. But we employ 31 pairs of muscles to move a food or liquid bolus from the lips just to the top of the esophagus, about 15 centimeters, in under 2 seconds. And the goals of swallowing are to, again, move the food and liquid into the esophagus while protecting the airway. We've all had things go down the wrong pipe, and as we see in an X-ray video of someone in the late stages of Parkinson's disease with significant swallowing disorders, the contrast does, in fact, go down the wrong pipe into the airway. This is a risk factor for aspiration pneumonia, which in Parkinson's disease is the leading cause of death. So the Adam's apple, or the larynx, elevates during the swallow, which is one of the main ways that we protect our airway. So everyone feel on your Adam's apple, and then swallow your saliva. And you'll be able to feel that elevate. However, the only way to accurately and reliably assess this is through these specialized X-ray videos. So the problem is that access to these X-rays are limited to specialized clinics, and these swallow exams only capture a snapshot in time, whereas we swallow about once a minute while we're awake and quietly resting, except for when we're eating, when it's many more times per minute. So we have a need for a non-invasive way to capture this airway movement during swallowing in natural settings for long periods of time. So with my colleagues, we have developed a cloth strain sensor that is worn around the neck that has wireless communication to apps that can then measure and quantify this particular aspect of swallowing behavior. And with the help of the Texas Health Catalyst, we had a regulatory assessment estimating a Class 2 exempt classification. So there are many different use cases, but our beachhead use case is in monitoring swallowing decline in Parkinson's disease. So a patient is sent our device and worn for 24 hours. Then that data is analyzed and monitored, and then when there's a decline, a clinically significant decline in that airway movement, then they come in for that comprehensive assessment. So this is a summary of our progress in 2023. We participated in the Texas Health Catalyst. We have filed a provisional and working on our final patents. We have completed the Southwest Regional I-Corps and are working currently on the National I-Corps. We also secured funding through the NIH's Blueprint MedTech seedling program, which is provides some similar supports to Texas Health Catalyst. So if anyone wants to talk about that experience, it's been very exciting. We have used our prototype in humans. We don't have to go through animal testing, and we had our first publication accepted a few months ago without any revisions. And so we have a lot of future plans coming up, including a CPT code assessment, which we're working on right now, facilitating industry partnerships, doing further validation testing and prototype development, and doing dilutive and non-dilutive fundraising. So thanks to Texas Health Catalyst and also the Proof of Concept Award to help us on our mission to improve assessment, that'll improve outcomes and improve quality of life. Thank you.